Their league campaign continues. Can they improve their position with a result here?
Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises.
And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. And the away team have gone with this lineup.
Referee gets his match underway.
McTominay.
Surely now.
Keeper's stopped it. He comes forward with the ball.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper.
Chesney to the rescue. McTominay. He's moving fast with the ball. Balotelli shoots.
Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match.
Here's a replay of that great goal. The ball played back. Now Balotelli. A misplaced pass. He's confident on the ball. Araujo with the tackle.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
Spinazzola. Moving down the flanks here. Ah, quality defending there. Here's Garnacho. The passing has been pretty poor today.
Well read.
Oh, that's a poor pass.
Good interception.
And it's half-time and still only 1-0. Will we see more goals in the second half?
Well, I want to hang on to this lead and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half. Great understanding between this team.
He's in control.
Is this a goal?
A fantastic team goal.
It's as if they were passing the ball around for fun. A wonderful team goal and a fantastic finish.
We'll want to see a replay of that great goal. McTominay. The player's using his pace. And he fires wide into the side netting. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in.
Well, it really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet.
At the striker's feet.
Oh, well intercepted.
Wins the ball. Now Balotelli. Well timed then. Great defending. He steps up to steal the ball. And he's won it back for his team. Nodded on. He's racing ahead with the ball. Moving down the flanks here. It's a tap-in from close range. Couldn't miss from there. A close-range shot and it's over the line. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. Some players are looking exhausted. These new subs will revive the team's energy levels.
They're holding on to maximum points and not long to go. Can they seal the game?
They want to add to their lead here. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Are we going to see a training ground move from this corner? And that cross missed its target. Here's Garnacho. The fans are on their feet. Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. Neres. We're into time added on now. And there we have it. I think most of us will still be catching our breath. What a great game. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match.